Hello there, and I do believe this week's message will be shorter, actually, than my intro. But hello, and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. My name is JB Hilliard, and these are weekly video snippets designed to answer questions that you may have about estate planning or probate, or maybe there are other legal concerns that may be swirling around in your head or impacting your household. And for today's message, as I said, is very short, sweet, and maybe abruptly to the point. But let me just say this because this is what's on my heart to say or share with you this week. If you become ill enough or incapacitated enough to go into a hospice situation, or if you're caring for a loved one, like an elderly parent or an adult child or any relative or loved one, and that person has gone into a hospice situation, that is not the time to decide, hey, I need to put together an estate plan or I need to fill out these documents and get some of my affairs in order. That's not the time to do that. Now, I'm not saying it's impossible, but what I am saying is that's not the time to try to put together a comprehensive estate plan or even a not so comprehensive estate plan. There are just too many opportunities for things to go awry if, for one, you're ill, for two, you're in a rush, and for three, you're not really looking at all the components and how they fit together to be the most optimal plan for you. So I say that to say, don't wait until it's too late, or don't wait until the last minute. Just don't wait. Just get it done. Don't wait until January when you put together your New Year's resolutions and yes, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, and your estate planning is part of that list. Why wait? Do it now. That's it. That's my message. That's what's on my heart. So that's my message. As always, I thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.